everybody has a presentation. The way that you can stand apart from the rest of the crowd is by using 3 to 4 bullet points to hit the key features on your product. Don't relate it to the competitor's product and explain why your ingredients are so much better than the competitors and the competitor tastes like crap. And that doesn't matter. What matters is that it's solving a problem. It can be solving the exact same problem as the competitor. You can be doing everything very similar to the competitor, but you need to make sure that the key features on your product relate to the product moving off the shelf. Because at the end of the day, it's all about how many units are going to move and if there are people that are willing to buy it. So having your product validated beforehand, essential. Having your product features known backwards and forwards is going to be essential. And sticking to 3 to 4 bullet points is a pretty good idea, just to keep the guy awake.